Today it's all about okra, and there's so many ways that you can cook your okra. Today I'm going to be showing you one. So this is how the okra looks like on the inside. You can spot some small seeds. So I'm going to place a pan over medium heat and add cooking oil. Add in some onions and leek. So I added the leek to my recipe because it has some amazing distinct flavor, so don't skip on the leek. So next I'm going to add in some garlic and ginger. Saute for about 1 minute, stirring constantly so that the garlic and ginger doesn't burn. Once everything is fragrant and soft, I'm going to add in some carrots along with some warm spices together with a bouillon cube. Stir and let everything cook for about 2 minutes. So next I'm going to add in 2 large tomatoes and 1 chili. Stir in. Add a splash of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook. This looks so delicious already, and I love that the carrot has added some color to my dish. So I'm going to cook until the tomatoes are all mushy. When my tomatoes are almost cooked through, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. Add in some sliced okra to my pan and stir in some water. Let the okra cook until soft. That is about 5 to 7 minutes. Okra has so many benefits to our body, which makes this recipe worth trying. If you've never had some okra, be prepared for some slime because it is super slimy. I'll add in a little bit of salt to fully season my okra. And at this point, everything looks so good. After 5 minutes, my okra stew is ready and it's looking so good and I can't wait. So I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to serve in a little bowl just to show you how delicious this looks like. If you are an okra fan, you're going to love this recipe, and if you've never had okra before, you will definitely want to try this one. My okra stew is ready and it's looking very delicious, and the flavor is just amazing, and also the chili has added some heat to my food. If you don't like chili, you can skip that. It's quite optional, but mine is just perfect. I love that you can notice some greens, some orange, some yellow from the leek, and everything is just, oh my god, everything is just perfect. So I hope you'll be trying out this amazing okra recipe and you'll enjoy with some chapati, with some rice, and you'll fully enjoy. Catch you on my next video.